Well, it's 5:30 in the morning. This is going along Kuramaguchi, which is a road in Kyoto. Very busy normally along here, but there's absolutely nothing. Just some bloke on his bike delivering newspapers, and that's it. Coming up to Arashiyama, and it's a beautiful clear day today. Temperature's 12 degrees, which is, it's going to be 30 today, so it's quite a range. It is beautiful. It really is much nicer at 5 in the morning. It's got to be the best one. Really do like that. At the top of Vatago, it's like 6:30 in the morning, about 11 degrees, but it doesn't feel cold at all. And yeah, it's very peaceful. And had my bagel from Radio Bagel that I bought yesterday. Now it's getting up a bit, the sun's come out, 8 o'clock. Inevitably I end up on a bit of gravel. Seem not to be able to avoid it. Going on here, the road just ended. Looks like they're supposed to be on that road, but climb up the fence and go around like this. This seems to be wrong. Well, this is very odd indeed. It just seems like they couldn't be bothered to finish the last bit of the road. For no one except people who cut trees down. Wow, I've got to say, it really is rather lovely out here. Peaceful, nice views, not many cars, and it's about 9 o'clock now, I think. Looks like there's a serious hill ahead. It's all brown on my Garmin, which I've never seen brown before. I think that's the worst. but on my road bike I don't really want a puncture, so I think I'll take the other road. Well, that was kind of tempting, but I saw on the map there's another road running parallel beside the river. This is very nice, so it's kind of a no-brainer on the road bike. If I was on the gravel bike, I think I'd go for that one. Anyway, this is less steep because it twists around a bit, and after that I don't know. Well, that's where the gravel route comes up, so I'm kind of glad I didn't try that one. It's a cliff. David, it's one for you, mate. It's one for you. Wow. Oh, she didn't see me coming, did she? Got me going down there, gravel road. I think I'll have to do it. Right, turned to single track, so I'm gonna have to change the plan here. Seems there's no way through here, so gotta give up. Looking at the map, that way looks like it doesn't go anywhere. Is it worth risking? Well, that's the end of the road. It doesn't go anywhere. Gotta go all the way back. It's not a bad road either, this 59. Yeah, better than I thought. I don't think I'll risk that one. It's another one for you, David. Oh shit. Yeah. Here there's a bit of city action here. Quite the metropolis after where I've just been. Right, it's almost the seaside. Big estuary anyway. Don't think that's the way to go. actually for a swim, but very pleasant. Monkeys and wild pigs. Just need a snake now. Well, there is no road. There's no road. There's absolutely no road. Which means I just go back to the start and I wasted 5 hours. Well, maybe 3 hours. God, it's just... I wonder what happened to that. Absolutely knackered. Done 3,300 meters already, 210k, and yeah, not looking forward to this, but at least I got here before it's dark. There have been worse occasions going up Gonami. Anyway, let's see how it goes. There was a gate. This is it, maybe. Still not sure. Nice campsite. Should have brought my tent. Could have stuck it there and rest. Next time. Weird noises going on, animals jumping around, insects everywhere. Weird. Right, going up the back of Hanasse. It's the last climb. It's done about 4,800 and kind of hoping it'll go to 5,000. But I'm knackered. Still a few meters to go. Right, at the top of Hanasse now. Made it. 4,990. Gotta find 10 meters from somewhere. And 283 kilometers. Whew! And it's 9:30 already. Good God! I started at 5:30. 5:30 until 9:30. Well, it'll be 10 by the time I get back.